Good morning, guys. It is actually raining outside. Yeah, I didn't hear it while I'm in the bed. Yeah, this is how it is here. The houses here in Australia, you never know if it is raining outside or what. Yeah, because I think the roof is thick, also the wall is thick. Yeah. In the Philippines, yeah, because in the Philippines mostly we don't have we have just the roof and there's no other thing. So you hear directly, instantly the droplets of the rain, the water, and also the wall is very thin. So you know if it is raining outside. It is now 7:17 in the morning. The rain is stopped now and it is like that outside. Yeah, nice. And I'm now preparing my, yeah, this is like a breakfast. This is the leftover from last night, the tuna and thing. And I'm reheating the rice and I'm going to make a soup. Oh, just now the rain comes. Yeah, see the small droplets of the rain. Yeah, good afternoon. At the moment, I am waiting for my cappuccino from this restaurant, Bluey. I got my cappuccino and it's now started to rain. We're going to stay here for a little bit until the rain stops. Yeah, at the moment, there is the ferry there. All the passengers just get down and new passengers are now getting in. Yeah, you know, in the future when this place gets more and more people, for sure that this place is going to be like the Circular Quay in Sydney, near to the Opera House, where the people are traveling from the other side, like Watson Bay, Manly. Yeah, and in here they will travel from here to, yeah, Tea Garden. Nice. You know, in Sydney, the ferry they travel like every 15 minutes. They come and go. They take people and travel to the other islands. You know, there is beauty in every moment. I'm always passing here, but this time I've noticed that this one is really beautiful. Yeah, really nice. I actually take a photo with my mobile phone and it's awesome. Yeah, we keep on going there. Yeah, look at those pelican. They are in line. I think they are going to feed the pelican to get closer. Yeah, looks like they are going to attack us. We don't need to be attacked by them. Looks like there is a storm on that side. Looks like there is a heavy rain going on. Yeah. And nothing to lose. Also on that side. Yeah, you can see the big difference on that side and then that side. It is raining now, so oh wow, look at this. And we're going to stay here for a bit while there is a rain. Wow, look at those birds. Looks like they are not moving. They are playing against the wind. Oh, rain, rain. I am not expecting this rain to be this heavy. Yeah. They can't ride because of the strong wind. And now they are wet. By giving me your everything. I don't wanna say goodbye to me. Oh, the rain is slowing down. Yeah, those birds are coming back. Yeah, they are not afraid of the water. They are not afraid of the rain. They are still there. Yeah, the rain is slowly getting down, and I can see the sun is shining in that side. But on this side it's getting darker, so rain is going there. We're just waiting for the rain to stop totally, and then we're going out here. The rain still have a little droplets, but yeah, we're going to have a closer look here, and then we're going to that suspended bridge. There are times when I see the lights. Oh wow. Oh, some. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nothing to lose. Yeah, we're going to leave the bike there because I can see that, yeah. It looks nice. Yeah, after the rain there is a beauty like this. There is no the water in here. Looks beautiful with water. Oh no, no, no. I can't really go there. It's a little deep. Yeah, so yeah, we're just going somewhere there. Okay, we're going closer there with my bike. Amazing. Yeah, there is always beauty after the rain. Yeah. Oh, this is how it is. And we are back now here in Little Beach. Yeah, no more rain. I am sure there is rain on that side. You know, down there I saw a car. Yeah, they get down and all of them are Filipino. They're actually a family. Yeah, they recognize me. We had a conversation. And they are inviting me to come in their place in Newcastle.